Greetings everyone, Brett here with Hammerhead Model Making, back with another 5-minute review. Today we're going to be looking at a V8 engine model from the Moyu store. Now, for total clarity, they did send this to me to review, and I will try and give you my honest review. So this is a 3D printed model kit. Now, I'm not quite sure if it's an FDM printed. It doesn't look like resin printing, but it seems really high fidelity for FDM printers. I could be wrong. But it definitely has that plasticky feeling that you would get from like an FDM printer. Packaging is very nice, and everything is custom fit, and generally the parts look pretty decent. You can see a lot of areas where supports were removed, so that's kind of a lot of those little like pimple looking things you see on the parts there. But for the most part, all of the supports are going to be on areas that will get covered up by something else. So at least as far as I can tell. So I think there will be some cleanup needed, but not necessarily a whole lot on critical exposed areas. There are quite a few parts in here. As far as I can tell, this is a rather complete V8 engine model. So for you car guys out there, this would probably be something that really tickles your fancy. The parts are printed in a somewhat aluminum looking color, metallic-y looking color, and then some parts are printed in black. I must say the actual aluminum look is pretty good. It has a nice little sheen to it. However, you can still see all the print lines, so that kind of disrupts it a little bit, but I mean, A for effort for trying here. Originally I thought these two little parts were supposed to be gears, but it turns out I think they're supposed to be air filters. It is motorized. The whole thing is meant to be workable. So it's got all of the timing belts and everything moves and rotates. It's got a little motor. And finally here you have all of the hardware. Now there is definitely a lot here, a lot to take in. This is definitely not a, couple hours and you're done type of kit. This will take some time. The instructions do come via USB. They provide you a small USB flash drive. Just be careful plugging any unknown USB things into your computer. The hardware, I was slightly disappointed that you get a mix of different size screws all in one bag, and you're just kind of left to figure out how to sort them all out and figure out which ones go where and whatnot. But I mean, the hardware all looks pretty nice. The 3D printed parts look okay. Like I said, you can see the mold lines or the print lines in them, and but you could take time to try and sand them out and remove them as much as however much effort you want to put into it. I think this is a kit that would really appeal to car aficionados. As far as I can tell, I'm definitely not like a huge car guy. I do know my way around a rudimentary engine, and it looks like it's got just about everything you would find on a real V8 engine. So I think, or if you're kind of in the mood for just doing something on the side that doesn't necessarily require a lot of painting and all that kind of work, and you can just work on little bits at a time, this might be for you. So yeah, I mean, I think it's worth a look. The Moyu store did send this to me, and there's some information down in the description below if you want to check them out, as well as a discount code that you can use. So take a couple minutes, check them out, and we'll catch you on the next video. Bye.